Today unboxing is on the Tomica Yokado exclusive, the Mazda RX7. This was part of the major release for 2021 last month, and of course, Yokado and Tomica has been partners for a long time. Many castings were released. 50th anniversary gold background with Yokado logo, standard information on the rear. The RX7 is a very clean casting. I like the matte treatment on the hood, a sharp contrast in the finishing, matte and gloss, that's great. Standard racing wheels with suspension with Yokado logo type on the door. The racing stripe is very distinctive with the Yokado corporate color. The opening door reveals the basic interior. The rear is basic with painted rear lights, and the Mazda RX7 logo and logo type that's printed, just like the rest of the Yokado casting with the Yokado logo. And the RX7 is in the scale of 1:59. Although the RX7 is a regular in the Tomica series, it's still a very nice addition to my Yokado collection. Stay tuned for more Tomica unboxing, and remember to head on to my second channel, Hot Customs Unboxing, for more contents. You can refer to the link down below in my comment section, including my bio, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks everyone, bye!